and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Mongolian beef, and this is what you need. All you need is one green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and one small white onion, and we will use ground ginger, garlic powder, and sorry about that, and low sodium soy sauce. And for the meat, I want to use this beef tenderloin because for me it's easy to cut and easy to cook and it's more tender. But you can use any kind of beef that you want to use, but I just like to use this one. And we're back. So now I place this tenderloin to this baking sheet because what I do is I always get a paper towel and pat dry the beef, so that way it'll be more easy once we season the meat, because I like to kind of put a little bit of salt and pepper to the beef. And that's my son trying to say hi. And I will be back because I'm gonna show you how how I cut my beef. Alright, I'm back. So now get one of your meat, and I always kind of slice it this way where the line is. I don't know how you say that, but because it will be easy to cook and it's more tender. So you need to slice your meat this way, and slice your meat as thin as you can. I'm sorry guys because it's kind of dark in my kitchen because the light is not good, but anyway. Alright guys, after we cut our meat, we will get a Ziploc and put cornstarch, and we will put our beef in there, and then we will put the beef in a pan with some cooking oil, and I will show you what I'm trying to say. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back again. So now I got me a Ziploc. So yeah, before I proceed, I want to warn each and every one of you that sometimes I might start speaking my language, which is Filipino, because come on, let's face it, let's be realistic. Because a first-timer vlogger or somebody that's doing a video, it's really difficult to just talk or explain because you kind of... Alright, I'm gonna put the beef right here in the Ziploc. Oops. And if we need to put more cornstarch, we will add a little bit more, maybe. If we don't want to use too much. Baka naman maglasang cornstarch yung pagkain natin. You see now I started chopping together. Alright. So, next. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. This recipe is so easy. Ang nagpapatagal lang is yung pagprito ng karne. You see, I think it's much easier for me if I do that. And I'm about to get my pan so we can start frying the beef. And I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So let's move our soy sauce. I'm sorry, I always forgot. I gotta look this way. But anyhow, before we proceed, I just want to inform each and every one of y'all that maybe sometimes I will speak my language, which is Filipino, Tagalog. And because, come on, let's be realistic. The first timer like me, it's really hard to just talk and then I really don't know what to say. I'm really embarrassed a little bit. But yeah, so anyway, let's just proceed. I got me a Ziploc, and I got the beef and the cornstarch together. And we will start cooking the beef. We have to cook this beef like, we have to put a few meat in the pan para hindi sila crowded. Para yung pagluto nila is pantay. And I will show you how. Alright. Don't overcook. And put enough oil every time you cook the beef. Don't cook the beef in their own oil. Tapos sasabihin nilang mantika. Kasi hindi siya magiging crispy. And by the way, this is what I did. Cornstarch and the beef. And this one is supposed to be first, really. Bago mo prituhin yung beef, dapat talaga igigisa mo muna ng very, very light tong bell peppers at yung onions. Kaya nakalimutan ko kasi nga nag-video. But, it's okay. Ihabol na lang sa huli. Alright. Batch. Huwag natin masyadong dikit-dikitin. Medyo ganyan lang. Enough to para pantay-pantay yung pagluto. Yan. That's it. So, I'm done with the beef. So, ngayon, ito nga dapat kasi di ba mauuna to. Medyo inano ko yung ibang mantika. Inalis ko siya. Para hindi masyadong marami. Sorry, umiikot yung aking kawali. And then, go ahead and add the soy sauce. Add some water. Add your sugar. Lagay mo na lahat. And some ground ginger. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng fresh kung gusto nyo. Ako kasi mas prefer ko yung mga ganitong powder. 2/3 lang ha. Hindi siya marami guys. Kala mo lang marami. Wala lang lumalabas. Anyhow. And then, pwede rin kayo maglagay ng fresh garlic. But wala kasi ako so I will use garlic powder. Just a little bit. And then, haluin natin para magsama-sama lahat ng ingredients. Then, pag kumulo siya, ilalagay na natin yung beef. And yun. Tapos na tayo. And I'll be right back, guys. So, as you can see, nag-boil na siya. Ngayon, ibabalik natin yung beef. Lagay mo lang dyan. Yung ingredients at yung measurements, ilalagay ko na lang after ng video na to. Kasi, you know, gaya ng sabi ko, as first time na naggaganito, ang hirap talaga, guys. Tsaka medyo nahiya pa ako talaga. Yan, ganyan lang. Actually, ang nagpapatagal lang dito yung nung karne. Yung pagprito. Nagdagdag ako ng sauce kasi yung husband ko ayaw masyado ng dry. So, you there. Hi! Say hi to my channel.
Hello.
Hi, my channel.
Subscribe and put notification and like this video.
So, now it's boiling. And, tayo lang natin ng mga ilang minuto. And, I'll be right back, guys. Yeah. And it's all done. Look at that. Alright, guys. That's all for today. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.
With notifications.